Alright, so right here I've got a little American badger. Hello. So cute. So let's pick him right up.
So here's the vet bill from today. Not sure how you're gonna pay that. You do live rent-free here, and I do pay for your food, so maybe get a job?
Welcome to Hilarious Pet Life, where you get your daily dose of cute pet content. Like and subscribe and leave a comment for more.
If you wanna run away with me, I know a galaxy and I can take you for a ride.
In the yard there was a tree, the prettiest tree you ever did see. And in that tree there lived a squirrel who had the biggest nuts in the world. Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. You're killing that tree, Susan.
Motherfucker, where is it? Where the is it? I swear to God. You laughing, girl?
I'm so sorry, honey.
I'm gonna cry.
Как ты его поймал, бедненький? Как ты его поймал?
Это не байбер, это байбак.
Капибара, блядь. Снял? Ебать, я...
Thanks for watching.